Have you ever wondered how much water you use every day? Without information about how you use water in your home by each fixture and appliance, it's difficult to know. This is where Get Water Fit can help. It's a unique digital solution that helps you understand your household water footprint. Through a series of tailored questions, Get Water Fit visualises how and where you use water in your home and identifies areas to reduce usage through a set of personalised challenges designed to help you save water one step at a time. You can also join water-saving teams to see who can save the most water and earn coins, which you can donate to your favourite charity. Whether you want help to identify and fix leaking appliances, understand your metered bill, save a little more in expenses, reduce your carbon emissions, or simply wish to be recognised for your water-saving achievements, join more than 500,000 people who are already using Get Water Fit.